Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Tactim channel. Hope you guys having a great day. In this video I'm gonna walk through how can you change your Gmail profile picture on phone. So guys, for this you can just go to your Chrome browser or your Gmail app. I'm going to go my Gmail app. Now after going to your Gmail app, just click the top right your profile icon, and here you can see manage your Google account. Click on it. Now after clicking manage your Google account, in the top here you can see your profile picture. Just click on your profile picture, and in the bottom here you can see add profile picture. Just click on it. Now here you can see you can just select any of these pictures from Google illustrations, or you can just select the picture from in the top. Here you can see Google Photos and device photos. I'm going to select from Google Photos. After selecting the photo, you can just adjust the photo, the part you need to take, just like I'm taking this part, and click the bottom next. Click on save as profile picture. Here you can see profile picture updated. Now go back, and here you can see your Google profile picture is here. So guys, that's how you can change your Google profile picture. Hope you find this video helpful. If you have find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Tactim channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.